Hey YouTube, so you want to grow your business? Well, there's a new social media platform that can help you do just that. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you how we've used this new thing called Clubhouse to grow our business. We have actually got customers that have paid us money from Clubhouse, and it hasn't cost us anything other than time. So if you're a bootstrapping entrepreneur looking to get customers with the least amount of money as possible, then this is the video for you. How can we use Clubhouse to grow your business? So what is Clubhouse? Clubhouse is the new social media app that everyone is talking about. What's really interesting about it is it's like some sexy Las Vegas nightclub. You can't get in without an invite. At the moment, there's only 6 million active users on Clubhouse. Now it's grown quite exponentially because on Monday, when I made a video just 3 days ago, there was only 1.5 million users. It's getting everyone talking about it because they can't buy it, they can't get access to it, they can't do it, but there's 6 million people that are absolutely loving it and talking about it. So it's getting loads of talk on all the other social media platforms. They haven't done this for some super sexy marketing technique, although that's definitely worked, like a Las Vegas nightclub. You want to go there, you can't get in there without an invite. That's what's happening on Clubhouse, but they're doing it because their servers can't catch up with how much people are wanting to use it. In fact, I've been on the app and it keeps glitching out, chucking me out of rooms because it is like talk radio. In the UK, we have this thing called LBC, which is Leading Britain's Conversation. And the hosts of those shows bring up different subjects, but they control what those subjects are about. When you go into Clubhouse, there's these multiple things called rooms, and each room is talking about a different subject on anything that you could possibly like. You're into fishing, there'll be a room for that. You're into marketing, there'll be a room for that. You're into talking to other entrepreneurs about growing their business, there's a room for that. What's really interesting is who is on the app right now. Well, Elon Musk was on the app the other night and had 10,000 people listening to him, and he crashed the app. There's also Paris Hilton, Piers Linney, who was an ex-dragon from Dragon's Den here in the UK. Celebrities are diving in there. Big influencers are diving in there at the moment because they know this is a new hip app. And this is the big pro that you've got here. If you can get in now and claim your name like I've done on my Instagram, on my Clubhouse name, then I'll just bring up what my profile looks like next to my head. It's got some details of what I do in my business and why you should listen to me. The pros are that there's only 6 million people on there. There's 7.5 billion people on the planet. You can really get in and build up a following faster than you would, say, on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube. To get 1,500 followers in just 10 days that I've been active on Clubhouse is pretty spectacular. To get 1,500 followers on YouTube at my current run rate is taking about a year to do. In the last week, I've picked up about 300 followers on Instagram and probably 150 active YouTube subscribers from Clubhouse. And this is a massive pro for business owners because you go into a room and you get to talk about your subject and offer value to all the people listening in. So for example, you could be a solicitor and you could go into a group or a room talking about property. And as a solicitor, you could give the 500 people listening into that room free advice. And then they message you on Instagram or follow you on LinkedIn or send you a tweet or go to your YouTube channel. You are then getting well-qualified leads into your business for free. There are some cons. It is a huge time drain. I'm literally spending hours on it. Now I'm trying to train myself only to do it when I'm driving now. So I'm listening in and then giving answers, or if I'm traveling somewhere, or for an hour in the morning, because you can literally spend all day in there. And maybe that's a good time investment right now, because if you could get 200,000 followers on Clubhouse by spending all day in there, you could then re-leverage those followers onto other platforms and get loads of well-qualified leads into your business. And it's this room thing. Say you go on national talk radio and talk about your niche. Maybe most of the people listening are not interested in your niche. But when you go into Clubhouse on a room that's named about your chosen subject and you go up and speak and give some value and advice in those rooms, you can get a huge following of well-qualified leads for free. You just got to put the time in. So what am I doing and how's it work for me? So I'm going in and giving entrepreneurs and business owners an advice on how I'd grow their business on like a Q&A panel. There'll be 6 or 7 other moderators. This is what they call these speakers in the rooms, moderators that really know their craft. I'm getting invited in to give people great advice on the answers to the questions that they have and their challenges about growing their business. But I'm getting active qualified people then message me on Instagram, then buying my books, then joining my Entrepreneurs University and becoming customers of ours. Whilst we're here, let me just touch on this here, Entrepreneurs University. I've created this platform that you can access anywhere in the world, anytime you like, to seriously grow your business. It's like having me as your business coach. It costs just 50 quid a month. That's a bargain, but you can try it free for 14 days. So if you want to seriously grow your business, learn how to get customers, how to buy businesses with as little money as possible, or even how to sell on Amazon, we've put modules in for all that and more on the Entrepreneurs University. And there's a little secret. The more of you that sign up and join my Entrepreneurs University helps pay my bills during coronavirus. So help an entrepreneur out and join the Entrepreneurs University. So I'm not paying for any adverts, but I am giving my time up. That's the big con. Here's the other problem. I actually love the platform. I love getting involved. Now, some of it's repeaty and samey, and there's a lot of egos being stashed around, and that does really annoy me. And sometimes people are giving bad advice, and there are some snakes in there, but on the whole, I really enjoy having niche conversations. And here's my big message for business owners. There is riches in niches. I've always said this. If you can go in to a room with dentists talking about growing their dentist practice, that's so much better than just going into a room with business owners talking about growing their business. If you're a dentist into a room with just dentists about how to grow their business, that's so super niche. You're going to be so super engaged, and that's why Clubhouse is really exciting. The rise of audio is here. You know, with Alexa, with people being able to listen to audio while they're in the gym, while they're working, while they're in the office. It's really powerful, really exciting. So my advice to you is get into Clubhouse, claim your name, get your profile, like I've said, get in some of the rooms, just learn and see if you get some leads. But you've got to speak up, you've got to give advice, and you've got to be concise on the platform. And I think you will get leads for your business. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it helps you grow your business using Clubhouse. I do think you should invest some time in just checking it out, claiming your name and getting your profile set up. We've learned actually on the profile thing, don't sell in your opening headline, give value in your profile. Lots of people go on there and they're selling a course or selling mentorship and consultancy. It just turns people off. Just tell people what you've done in your career and how you can add value. Then they watch your content, then they go direct to you and they'll ask you for the business and help anyway. So we definitely learned that to have a really strong profile gains your followers on Clubhouse. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you're updated when we bring out great new videos by clicking here, and watch my most recent video by clicking here, which tells you about the debacle that we're having with Amazon. How we've done £55,000 in sales and they've kept all of our money. Intrigued? Watch the video. See ya.